Introducing the KIWA Digital Group, Amplifying Voices, Honouring Authenticity, he whakanui e te reo me te tūturutanga. VoiceQ, audio post-production software as a service. KIWA, digital technologies supporting cultures. At KIWA, we uplift and support Indigenous voices from around the world using digital technologies. We believe that what's good for Indigenous peoples is good for the world. We serve Indigenous peoples in Aotearoa, New Zealand and across the world to reclaim their narrative and share their language, histories, stories, cultures and more in a way that empowers their whānau and communities. We create and deploy fully customised apps to global audiences within 90 days. Our people live at the cutting edge of the technical world, bringing a unique Indigenous perspective to the opportunities advanced technologies offer. We are connected to and understand Te Ao Māori, the Māori worldview, with experience to uplift and support cultures around the world. In 2004, we invented an improved method for synchronising sounds with a recorded track or video using computer apparatus. This was patented in 2007. This enables text and audio to be synced at the level of individual sounds, mimicking the way we first learn language. We provide a suite of analytics and cultural survey tools to measure outcomes effectively. This is complemented by insight reports to review and explore user experience, scalability and innovation. Our proven solutions that support Indigenous peoples include Indigenous apps, cultural consultancy and licensable software. We support Indigenous peoples to share their languages, stories and knowledge, using proven and innovative technology to honour their unique voices and wisdom. We work closely with mana whenua and Indigenous stakeholders to ensure appropriate and respectful consultation at every stage of development. Licensed versions of our software enable Indigenous organisations to develop their own capability and bring their content to life digitally. For over 2 decades, we've championed excellence, supporting communities with cutting-edge digital solutions. Our pioneering technology and educational achievements have earned industry recognition. Alongside our sector and community partners, we celebrate these milestones together. Huri noa i te whānau. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Mauri ora ki a tātou.